How to use Moonshot app. So this is right now super viral app where you can buy and sell meme coins super easily. And what I like about this app is kind of super easy to use. It's not as complicated as some other crypto apps, and super easy sign up and super easy to get started. So here it is. How to create an account. You just basically, okay, I will just show you from the very beginning. So here is, you just have this, you can go register or sign in. Then after you verified your email, basically you're good to go and you have the app ready. So that's basically how you sign in this app, or create an account or log in. That's how it works. And basically, yeah, here you just have it. In the home tab, you will see all the meme coins. This app is specifically focused on meme coins. It's not about Bitcoin, Ethereum. This is just all meme coins, very volatile, very risky. So you need to be very careful kind of doing this app, because you can lose all your money just in a second, or you can make a lot of money. So that's where it is. First of all, I will just recommend you to use my code to sign up. So feel free to sign up using moonshot.money, using my referral code TYZ8WKG7QR. So when you create an account, please just use this link. You will make me super happy, and you will add pluses to your karma. So yep. But then basically you just, for example, obviously you want to purchase like Trump coin or some other meme coin. You just see here like the stats about this coin. You can see very similar as you would see in some other crypto apps, like some like Revolut, whatever, I don't know, Robinhood, some other apps, super similar design. You can just see how it goes, and then you can see like your balance, the stats, and then in the bottom you just see a lot of people notifications, how much people are buying. This is like super hyped right now. People are buying like some crazy amounts, like right now 50k, 210k, 36k, like 55k. Crazy stuff is going on right now. 120k. People are literally buying a lot of this coin. And then you just tap buy, and then you just see your balance. You can use cash or Solana, and then you just deposit. There is like $20 minimum deposit. You just use an Apple Pay. You can use a credit, debit card, bank transfer, Coinbase, PayPal, crypto, all different options. And then it's kind of like a very simple, like, hey, swipe to deposit. But you need to know this is not a one tap option. Because Moonshot app is kind of built on MoonPay. So MoonPay is another kind of app, crypto payment app. And basically, if you're using Moonshot in US, you should be good. If you have US security number, you should be good, because to buy like Trump coin or other meme coin in Moonshot, first time you will be asked something like, hey, you need to enter your basic details. Please enter your name and date of birth as they appear on official documents. We require this information to comply with regulatory requirements. And then also you need to enter your cell phone number. You need to enter a social security number. So basically, if you're outside of US, I don't know how to deal with it. Probably if you download Moonshot app from US App Store, you will need to enter it. Maybe if you download the app from other country App Store, you're not gonna have it. But yeah, basically you just have it here. And like this is like some of the countries where MoonPay, the service which you're using in Moonshot app to pay for crypto, is not available. So if you're outside of EU, like US, Canada, probably you're not gonna be able to use Moonshot app. So this is, you just need to know that this app is basically US only, I would say. I don't know all the details, but that's what it is. So it's not as easy. So they have really built really nice, simple to use design. So that's the main feature, but there are still some things. Then there are rewards. Again, you can just use my code to create an account here. And yeah, and then there is just like a third tab where you can just withdraw. So this app is super easy. That's why I kind of like it, and a lot of users like it, because it just literally solves one easy problem. It just allows you to buy either Trump coin or some other meme coins. That's it. It's not overcrowded with like 10 tabs with different features. And then yeah, to basically withdraw, you just tap withdraw, and then you select your amount, cash, Solana, and then you can just select credit, debit card, bank transfer, Coinbase, PayPal, crypto. And then basically here you just select amount, and you can select transfer to all these options. Again, probably they are doing it through MoonPay or some other third-party services, which probably yeah, you will need some your personal details or social security number. And then basically that's where you have it. You can also send, I don't know whether you are just sending to other users, probably other users on Moonshot. Then there is also deposit, which you can deposit from here. Then there is your username, which you can change. You can change your profile picture. So basic things like that. And then very important feature where you can just go and export keys. So this is actually quite important thing, because when you just create an account here, this app automatically creates a Solana wallet for you. That's very convenient, but you can also just go and export your keys from here, because in case Moonshot app goes down or just stops working when there are overload of users, you can then use this Solana wallet from some other place, some other exchange, some other Solana wallet, and then sell your coins from there, for example. And then that's basically what it is. Then you can just sign out. Then there is your account notification, and that's basically what you have here. Then there is like very basic support to delete an account, settings, legal and privacy, delete an account and follow the steps provided. Deleting your account cannot be undone. Our support team will be unable to help you get back your account after it has been deleted. You will first need to send all your holdings to another wallet or sell and withdraw them. This is to prevent funds from being lost during account deletion. Legal and privacy. All right, so here you can just go and delete your account. So that's basically where it is. So that's basically the idea here, and that's what it is. You can see your activity in the top left, your history, and try it out. Again, I wouldn't trust this app so much, because this is kind of like a beta version of the app, and like I wouldn't hold like huge amounts in here, like, because when you trade in meme coins, your speed is super important. For example, when people will start selling like Trump coin, a lot of like million of users will go to Moonshot trying to withdraw Trump coin, and I think there is a huge chance that this app will just crash. It will go down. Their servers will crash. I'm not highly confident that this app has like huge infrastructure to support their servers from downside, and then you're not gonna be able to sell or withdraw, and then you have a problem. You might just lose your funds. So I would just really suggest you to export your Solana keys from this app. I guess if it's easy for you to get started and buy like $500 or $100 of Trump coin, yeah, you can just do it here. But then again, export your keys, because that's basically a lot of stuff can happen. It has some pretty good ratings so far, but let's see in few days. Basically that's where you have it. You can see some reviews in here. Yeah, so that's basically the app you have here, and that's just a quick review, quick tutorial. Hope it is helpful. I don't know if Moonshot app is on Android, have no idea. and if it's available in other countries, you need, like in US it kind of works straightforward. If you're a citizen not of US, you will probably need to have, I don't know if it's actually usable. So that's what it is.